freeze. So we have D, let's load any piano, D, A, yeah, another D, an E, an F sharp, yep, and then another A, another D, another E, another F sharp. Right, we need some EQ on this. Make dynamic, another one. Like this. Let's see, vintage chorus. That's it. Okay, now let's add some Valhalla. Vintage verb. We send from here to here. It's gonna be fire. We add some saturation on the reverb. Compression, right. 140. It has to go on the sides. Okay, so the sample is already too much in stereo. What we gotta do now is just lower the mids so we can make room for the other one. What we have now is just the stereo information. If we sum it to mono, that's what we hear. Now that we have a solid bass, let's color code these. Soft clipper. Right, I'm gonna do it straight from the automation clip. Insert one, create automation clip, like this. So this snare needs to be layered with something else. Now that we have the hi-hats, let's look for some vocals to enhance this thing. So that's an F. Yeah, we know we have the F on the scale. However, we put this 200 semitones down. We add it on a new mixer track. We load an EQ just to remove what we don't need. And if we put it 500 up, which is 300 on here, to work with the fifth. And we make it like shorter, like faster. And 2 more up. 1 more up. Reverb, let's see a cheap reverb from FL Studio like always. And then we make this unique, and guess what we're gonna do? Reverse that motherfucker. Guess what? It's gonna be so nice. That's actually bad, I gotta be honest. Here we're trying to get the phase right. This is very important. Now let's put the kick on the when the synth is hitting. We put a reverb on the hats. I need that thing there, I think, yes. And there we go, the track is done.